Welcome back. Welcome back to the wettest channel on the internet. If you guys want to follow on the daily, make sure to follow Facebook or Instagram, Fresco Channel. And if this is your first time visiting Fresco Channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And yeah, you saw it right. We're going on the big hydro today. And if you check the weather report, you know this weekend was going to be beautiful and flat, so we couldn't miss this opportunity to go on the boat. And once again, we got spotted on the road while trailering to the ramp. So I would like to say hello to those people that peeked at us and waved.
Alright guys, so we're back. What everybody have been asking, where's the big boat? Where's the big boat? Here's the big boat. So we're back in the water here in Miami. I haul over our second boat, our third home. And we're just here gonna see what the day brings us. Let's go. On the show. Well guys, it has been over 2 months we haven't been on the big hydro, and I forgot how good it felt to ride the hydro sport. It's like you're in a car on the road, because it doesn't matter the waves, the surf condition, it just rides right through, and it feels really good. What do you think?
Oh my god, yes, I think about it a lot.
Yeah, it's a great feeling. I mean, oh my gosh. And you know what guys, and guess what, we made it out here early, so that's a miracle for us. Right now it's like 9:30 I think, so that's just a miracle for us. But I mean, like you saw, the ramp is getting pretty packed, and the sandbar, I guess it's starting to fill up. So today we're gonna test our luck, but really test our luck, because if you guys already know, they stole my GPS that I'm still waiting, because I guess it's backdoored or whatever, but still waiting for the GPS. So we're gonna try to go fishing without the GPS. So normally I say we're gonna test our luck, but today we're really gonna test our luck fishing. So we're just gonna go out there and see what we can find. So a ver qué pasa. But loving it being out here. Oh my god, I forgot how good it feels to be out here in Miami.
Well, if this beat sounds familiar to you, yep, you heard it right. It's the official Sandbar Life song that when you're on your boat, at the sandbar, or fishing, or just cruising around, make sure to play it. But now we're gonna stop at the marina and get some bait, because you can't go fishing without bait. And something else you cannot go fishing with is hooks, because I'm learning things the hard way. Since I have 2 boats, one is on the west coast and one is on the east coast. Last time we were on the west coast, I left all my fishing gear at the west coast, so I just realized we were going fishing without nothing. So I guess I'm gonna have to buy some hooks, swivels, and weights if I want to catch anything.
Hello. Oh, go ahead, get the bait. 2,000. Here, over there. Mucho gusto, ¿ven?
And once again, it's a great pleasure meeting the people that watch the channel. And the bad part is that sometimes I forget you guys' name. And talking about forgetting, this forgetting gear thing kind of turned out more than unexpected because I even had to buy a chum bag. I'm gonna have to start buying double everything, but it doesn't matter. We're ready to go. Okay, and off we go. And I guess I'm gonna take this time to answer a few questions that I get is about the cameras. Okay, I use GoPro 7, I used GoPro 360, and I use for the long shots a Sony 4K that I forgot the model number. And I think the next following question is gonna be, why do I use the 7? Is because I done tests on most of the GoPros, and to me 7 has the best stabilization. Well, like you see, I guess we're getting lucky already because the hollover cut is pretty flat, and once we hit the outside it looks the same way, so feeling double the luck. So we're gonna head down south towards South Beach. And if you're wondering why the video is so smooth, it's not really because of the camera, it's just the ocean is almost flat, so it made the ride perfect and comfortable to head down south and start our search for the fishing spot. Because remember, no GPS, no coordinates, so we're gonna rely on the old methods. Look at the buildings, measure the distance to land, and hopefully you find and land on your lucky spot. And that's why I said we're gonna test our luck today twice, landing on the spot and catching the fish. Okay, so it's time to look at the buildings, look at the water, and look at the distance and try to figure out where our lucky spot used to be. It's like when your friend gives you a direction, make a right at the big tree and then make a left at the pink house, and then when you find the green mailbox, that's it.
All right, so what we're doing is, remember guys, we got no GPS. So what we're doing is we kind of follow the other boaters, and there's a group right here. So we're gonna try to get near them and hopefully they're at a good spot and we get lucky. So that's all we can do.
I guess we'll see what happens and we'll throw some hooks. And you know, if Oguita catches something right away, and most probably it's gonna be a grunt, that means we found the right spot.
She got one, and guess what it is?
With the open mouth.
Guess what it is? So yeah, the legend hits one more time. The grunt woman. Yeah, at least he caught something.
Where's
So
the rat?
the rag, I think, is in the cabin. But the grunt woman caught a grunt. But better than nothing, right? Gotta start with something. Oh, live action. Oh, he caught a
Good old friend.
What is that?
The slimy, whatever, slippery, whatever the name is.
Slippery thing. You done caught? What is that? Well, it's a good luck fish.
Good
So,
bottom.
look at that, guys. Look. The day is beautiful and flat. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's beautiful.
You know what? I haven't seen the ocean like this in a while.
The what?
Yeah, I haven't seen the ocean like this in a while. Like so calm, like that. Like
Oh yeah, look at that.
haven't been out like in a day like this. Like flat.
Yeah, we're about a mile and a half off the coast and it's so flat. Wow, it looks beautiful, man.
Perfect day to go to Bimini.
Yeah.
Well, we got no GPS.
Perfect day to go to Bimini, but we got no GPS. So we're really testing our luck today.
And I know I haven't been off the coast of Miami in a while, but now that I look at the buildings, I notice there's even more. I guess if I don't get a GPS quick, I'm gonna lose my fishing spots because I won't be able to recognize it. And I guess we're not the only ones taking advantage of this beautiful, flat, sunny day. There's plenty of boaters cruising around and fishing.
Oh, that's a big one. You see that thing?
Another eel.
Thing is, they're getting bigger.
This is bigger than Fresco's.
Swallowed it.
Yep.
She's feeling hot. Because it is hot. Feels like 120 degrees out here. Woo.
Live action.
Woo.
I think it's 12. I don't know.
Nah, too little.
Too little.
But it's a yellowtail, not a grunt.
What are you trying to say?
It's a grown woman.
I get the hammer.
Within that.
Oh yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one.
It's a big fish.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Live action rifle. Keep fighting it. Just keep fighting.
Oh, what is it?
Always keep pressure. What is that?
Oh.
A massive. Oh, Jack.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at that chin, bro.
There's more of those there. That's a jack.
That's
Yeah.
a different type of
It's a yellow jack. I've caught those before.
Okay, lindo.
Nice.
That's the one that ate my thing? No.
No. It's
No.
not. Oh, that's a nice one.
Live action. Ceviche right there. Right. Boom, baby. Woo.
Look at that. The day started out with luck.
Mira, he gave me a kiss. You saw it?
We got a parrotfish.
Oh my God, que color más
That's
lindo.
a parrotfish.
Ay, I want a picture with this one because I'm drinking yellow and with the blue. It's going to look nice.
It's gonna poop everywhere.
No es el príncipe azul.
The blue, the blue print.
Príncipe azul.
All right, so we've been out here about 2 hours. We caught a pretty big jack and a whole bunch of little yellowtails that we didn't keep. But you know, my friend right here is calling me, talking about, I'm hungry. And today, Ogita's not cooking or making anything. She already made it. She made it at
I was
home.
going to say because I already made it.
She already made it at home, so it's time to grab something to eat. Let me see.
Get this house and give me.
We got homemade Cuban sandwiches. There you go.
No,
Well,
yo no quiero que me sandwich. I
What do you
want
want?
my chicken there.
chicken.
Oh.
Oh, she wants chicken. Where's the chicken?
It's in a Ziploc bag. It's me.
Okay, here's the chicken.
Thank you so much.
All right, so she's having that.
Can I use the microwave?
Yeah. And I got 2. Okay, hold on. Let me turn on the light, people. So look, check this out, guys. Fresco just caught 2 ballyhoos with the net because there's so many and we didn't bring the cast net. Oh, let me turn on the light, babe. You gotta put on the plug, though. All right, so let's check it out. Just check out the lunch surprise. So this is what we do when we out here fishing. Here we go. Banana, that Cuban sandwich on the go. So right now it's lunchtime. So I really honestly forgot how good it felt to be on the hydro sport. It is so stable. It's so much amenities that feels good. Feels good. What's your lunch? What are you having? Well, look at her. Aguacate with what? Chicken breast and spaghetti, whatever it is.
The chicken parm that I made last night.
Wow.
I'm doing
What are you doing?
keto diet.
Oh, you're doing a keto diet? Okay. I'm doing a Cuban bread diet. What kind of diet you do? Hey, why you snatching my sandwich, boy?
Seafood diet. I see food and I eat it.
I guess everybody's on a diet, and everybody's different diet. Well, definitely you missed this, right?
Oh my God, yes.
AC, oh my goodness. Because it's so hot outside, and check this out, she's heating up her food. What you doing, Yoli? You can't have that. So, I forgot how good it feels to be
Oh yes, baby.
to be in the hydro sport. My goodness gracious. Wow. Loving it.
Yep, baby.
Yeah, it's hot. Enjoying the AC?
My chicken ready?
Yeah, chicken's ready. Yuli's enjoying the AC. While we're out there fishing, Yuli's inside the cabin hanging out on the AC.
Yuli, fuck out.
So she's cheating. She's in there in the AC while we're out here fishing. But it's all good in the hood. Having some fun today. And for the kids still trying to catch the ballyhoos with a regular net. Because we forgot the cast net. But it's all good. Can't get them?
Yeah, we got 4 so far though.
We got 4.
Well, Fresquito got pretty lucky because he actually caught 6 ballyhoos with the net. And yes, we do have a cast net, but we left it on the other boat along with our fishing gear. But we managed to get pretty lucky for what we had. So we threw them in the live bait well, and we're gonna leave them for later. But now we're gonna head back in and head over to the best spot in Miami if you like playing in the water and having fun in the sun. If you guessed all over Sandbar, yes you are correct. Well, at least to me it is. And I just noticed I didn't record where we caught a big triggerfish that we also kept. And just in case you didn't know, triggerfish is one of the best fish to do ceviche because the meat doesn't fall apart when you mix it in. And also the triggerfish is good to make fish fingers. I guess it's up to Aguida when we get home what she's gonna do with it because she's the master creative chef. And then she's complaining why she's always cooking. I say because she cooks so good. And talking about good, well, the day's turning out pretty good and lucky. Caught a few fish, had a good time. And the days turned out to be beautiful because they predicted 30% of scattered showers, but no rain for us. So that's why we're gonna head in to the sandbar and enjoy the rest of the day. But you guys are gonna have to tune in for the next video where we hanged out at the sandbar, met some great people, and had lots of fun.
Happy birthday to you.
And we even got to sing happy birthday to a special lady. And yeah, we got caught by the rain at the sandbar, but that didn't stop the fun. We actually went back out fishing again.
We're testing our luck. Double time.
But remember, tune in tomorrow for part 2 and find out what happened. If we got lucky one more time or not. And to answer one more question, people ask me where can they get the Fresco Channel and Sandbar Life merch. Well, every video has a link on the description, or you can go on www.frescochannel.com.